Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to install a front air deflector on our Dodge Ram. It's a nice chrome piece. It'll add to the look of our truck. It's a factory accessory part. Comes with all the hardware included and detailed instructions, but we're going to show you how to install it in the vehicle. You should just need a tape measure, some scissors, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a trim clip tool. We're going to pop the hood. Handle's right here. Safety latch is right here. We're going to push it to the passenger side to unlock it. It'll lift up on its own. You need to remove this weather strip on the edge of the hood. So I'll just pull it down with one hand and use a trim clip tool to pop these clips out all along the edge. You need to trim this weather strip for the air deflector to fit. So I'll just go along and pop these all out. The instructions say to trim 1.5 inches off from the end of the weather strip, from each end of the weather strip. So I'll go out 1.5 inches, take my scissors, just trim this right across. I'll do the same to the other side. There are 4 pre-drilled holes on the bottom of the hood. I just want to verify that our air deflector is going to line up with those holes, which it will. So now I can put this aside. I'll just rest it right there. And there are these little push clips that we're going to put in place. They're going to go horizontally because when they're installed, this notch is going to come through here like that, and then we'll put a screw through there to hold it in place. I'll push the clips in. You might need to adjust them, but they're going to fit pretty loosely, and when you put the screw in, that's what's going to expand them. So there's 2 on one side and 2 on the other side. Put our air deflector in place. Might need to just adjust those a little bit. Okay, it'll sit like that, just like that. We'll take our small self-tapping screws, and there's these little black washers in here. Be careful not to lose these. And then I'll take my Phillips head screwdriver and just start with one. And it will self-tap into that plastic of the clip. You may need to push up into that clip and lock it so it doesn't spin on you while you're tightening the screw. And I'm not going to tighten it all the way because I want to get the other ones caught. So the first one is probably the hardest to get caught, and then the other ones will go a lot easier. Just repeat that for the other 2. I'm just going to go ahead and snug these all up. They're just going into plastic, so you don't need to kill them. You don't want to break the plastic. Take our shortened weather strip with the wide part goes towards the front and clip it in place here. And just go along and clip it right back into place. Should be able to reuse these clips. They're just little Christmas tree clips. There's a grained edge or textured area just at the top of the grill, and then a smooth part. Included in the kit is some protective tape. We're going to put it on the smooth part. Also comes with an alcohol prep pad. We're going to clean it first and then apply the tape. Just going to go right along the edge here. Just going to bring it down to the edge of the grill. They do give you quite a bit of extra. That should do it there. I'll trim the excess with the scissors and do the same on the other side. Now we can close the hood and your air guide or air deflector is installed. Wipe the fingerprints off. This air guide, great way to dress up the front of your truck. Really goes well with our chrome grille.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.